Are you interested in discovering ways to monetize with ChatGPT in 2023 and beyond? Look no further. In this informative video, you'll learn how to tap into the power of AI technology and generate income today. So, have you ever thought about how ChatGPT can help you build a successful copywriting business? It's a pretty amazing technology that can save a lot of time and effort while also producing top quality content. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? It's a tool developed by OpenAI that generates human-like text responses based on input. And when it comes to copywriting, it can be a real lifesaver. Think about it. ChatGPT can help generate ideas for headlines, body copy, and even entire articles. And since it's designed to produce human-like responses, the content it generates can be both engaging and informative. That's a big plus for copywriters who are always looking for ways to produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. And what about promoting products or services through copywriting? ChatGPT can help you generate compelling and persuasive copy that can help you sell your products or services. And the best part? It can be done in a fraction of the time it would take to write the copy manually. Another benefit of using ChatGPT is that it can help you keep up with the latest trends and popular topics in your niche. This means that you can create content that is relevant and appealing to your target audience. Not only that, but ChatGPT can also help you generate content for various platforms such as websites, email campaigns, social media, and more. This makes it a versatile tool that can be used for multiple projects and campaigns, saving you time and effort. But there are several ways to deliver copywriting services. For instance, you can consider using ChatGPT to make money with short-form content. This powerful tool can help you take advantage of the growing demand for bite-sized pieces of content. ChatGPT can also come up with new and exciting ideas for your content, which is great if you're struggling with writer's block or just need a fresh perspective. So, if you're looking to make money with short-form content, ChatGPT is worth considering. Now, as we have short-form content, we also have long-form content like articles, blog posts, or even books. ChatGPT can help you save time on these lengthy pieces and produce top-notch, engaging content that readers love. ChatGPT also stays on top of popular topics and trends, making your content relevant and valuable. It can also promote your content professionally with articles, blog posts, and social media updates, attracting more readers and increasing earnings. Give ChatGPT a try and see for yourself how it can revolutionize your long-form content and boost your earnings. ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for anyone looking to make money with ebooks. From saving time and effort to producing high-quality content, ebooks are supposed to give in-depth knowledge about certain topics, and you should take advantage of ChatGPT's ability to dig deep for useful information in your desired topic. ChatGPT can also keep you on top of popular topics and trends in your niche, and help you promote your ebooks with professional articles, blog posts, and social media posts. With its many benefits, using ChatGPT for your ebooks could be the game changer you need to boost your earnings. So why not give it a try? Have you ever thought about how cool it would be to make money through fiction and storytelling? Well, with ChatGPT, that dream can become a reality. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, generates human-like text responses and can be used for all sorts of things in the world of fiction. For example, imagine a chatbot that takes users on a journey through a fictional world and acts as a guide, all for a fee. That's right. Users pay to participate in the story. Quite futuristic, too. Or what about helping writers and content creators generate ideas, plot twists, and even entire stories? Talk about a time saver. ChatGPT can be a game changer for tutors looking to make money by tutoring college students. With its advanced AI capabilities, it can provide real-time feedback and support, offering students personalized learning experiences. As a tutor, you can use ChatGPT to offer your services to students anytime they need help with their coursework. You can also reach a wider audience by offering online tutoring sessions and catering to students from different parts of the world, since ChatGPT can work with diverse languages. Additionally, you can use the technology to provide in-depth explanations and step-by-step solutions, helping students achieve their academic goals. ChatGPT can even be a great way to make money with coding tutorials. With its ability to create interactive and engaging tutorials, you can guide users through the steps and answer their questions. And why not charge for access? Another way to use ChatGPT is by assisting with creating code snippets and templates, saving you time and providing users with top-notch code. You can also generate coding challenges and exercises for users to complete and charge for access to these resources that help them develop their coding skills. ChatGPT has so much potential in the world of coding tutorials, and it's time to take advantage of it. ChatGPT is a powerful tool for creating custom software and tools. With its ability to generate code snippets and templates, you can save time and effort on the technical side. ChatGPT can also help you create user-friendly software with its ability to generate software documentation and user manuals. The technology can also assist in testing and debugging, ensuring your software is error-free. Another advantage is the ability to generate user-friendly interfaces and custom features, making your product stand out. ChatGPT can simplify the development process and help you create top-notch products that meet your customers' specific needs. So why not give it a try and revolutionize your software creation process? ChatGPT is a valuable tool for creating custom marketing plans. It analyzes market trends and consumer behavior, providing insights into what's working and what's not. ChatGPT can also generate ideas for campaigns tailored to your target audiences, such as social media ads, email campaigns, and influencer partnerships. And when it comes to budgeting, ChatGPT helps prioritize and allocate resources for maximum ROI. Whether it's time, money, or personnel, ChatGPT helps businesses and marketers make the most of their resources. With its ability to analyze data, generate creative ideas, and optimize resource allocation, ChatGPT is a valuable asset for creating effective marketing plans. ChatGPT can be a real game changer for creating and selling content strategy plans. It can help generate ideas and insights into what types of content will perform well in your industry, giving you an edge over the competition. And once you have your strategy in place, ChatGPT can create the actual content for you, freeing up time for other tasks like promotion and distribution. On top of that, ChatGPT can create eye-catching presentations and pitch decks to help you promote your plans to potential clients. With its ability to help with every step of the process, ChatGPT is a valuable tool for anyone in the content strategy industry. Give it a try and see the results for yourself. Have you considered using ChatGPT to create custom diet plans? This technology from OpenAI can be a game changer in the nutrition and wellness industry. ChatGPT can generate personalized diet plans based on the user's specific needs, including age, gender, weight, height, lifestyle, and health concerns. It can continuously learn and adjust the plan based on the user's feedback. With its ability to create tailored adaptive diet plans, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach nutrition and wellness. Have you ever thought about using ChatGPT for custom workout plans? It's an innovative solution that can take your fitness goals to the next level. Imagine having a personal trainer right at your fingertips who can generate a custom workout plan just for you based on your fitness goals, level, and other information. And it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can also keep track of your progress, provide encouragement and motivation, and even offer suggestions for healthy meals and lifestyle changes. Plus, with ChatGPT, you can switch up your workout plan whenever you want to keep things interesting and avoid boredom. So why not give it a try and see what it can do for you? You see, spam filters are designed to identify and block unwanted messages, but they can sometimes be too strict and block legitimate messages as well. But with ChatGPT, you can create messages that are more human-like and less likely to be identified as spam. ChatGPT can generate messages that are tailored to your audience and contain relevant and meaningful content. This makes them less likely to be seen as spam and more likely to reach their intended recipient. And that's not all. ChatGPT can also be used to generate subject lines that are attention-grabbing and relevant to the message. This can increase the chances of your message being opened and not ending up in the spam folder. ChatGPT can be used to create highly interactive and immersive gaming experiences. Think about it. Chatbots could act as characters in the game, responding to the player's actions and decisions in real time. This level of interaction and immersion can make the gaming experience even more enjoyable and memorable. Another way ChatGPT can help gamers is by providing in-game assistance. Chatbots could be designed to help players navigate the game, provide tips and tricks, and even help solve puzzles. This can make the gaming experience more accessible for players who may be struggling with certain aspects of the game. Finally, ChatGPT can also be used to generate content for gaming communities such as forums and social media platforms. Gamers can use it to write posts, reviews, and even articles about their favorite games, helping to build a strong and active gaming community. Be sure to stay tuned for more exciting content on the latest AI trends and advancements. How? Well, all you've got to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell.